Good morning from Bastrop, Texas, and right now I am wearing an appropriate t-shirt because today we're going to meet the Sawyers. We're going to the film locations from the 1974 movie Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And why not start where I'm staying at, the gas station. Now here they have a van. It's not the screen used van, but it's the same make and model. Anyways, that van will pulled right up into here. The cook would have came out the door over here, the green door, and tell them we're all out of gas. Then you had the window washer who was using this bucket right here. It was filled with water, and he was cleaning their windshield. And it's also right there where Leatherface was chasing Sally, and she came running over here into the gas station. Now, there's the cook's truck over there, who's probably inside cooking up some victuals. But we're off to the next location. And here we are, Baghdad Cemetery, which is right here. Was the opening scene to Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Over there they have the dead body propped up and on display for all to see. Just beyond this gate is the old road where the house sat on. Let's see if we can sneak on the property. Okay, so I made it past that barbed wire fiasco and head up to where the house was at. This is a pretty long walk in some high grass. But we're gonna see this road, damn it. Oh, look, here it is. There's some of the road. Guys, we've made it. This is where the Black Maria came and pulled in. Leatherface did his jig. Sally was running from the hitchhiker. Oh my God, this is great. I'm glad I did this, but this place is slowly disappearing. So this might be the only chance I get. And we're doing it. Now if I find where the old driveway used to be at, we'll be good. Alright guys, I did it. It was a hell of a walk from all the way down there. But right here is the driveway to Leatherface's house. As you can see, it's disappearing. And I'm glad we got here to see this because I don't think it's going to be around any much longer. So right here is where the driveway was leading up to the Sawyer house. It's around this area where the Black Maria pulled up at to help out Sally. Hitchhiker was chasing Sally down this area. Leatherface did his jig around here. And this is what it looks like current day. I'm glad I saw this. I mean, there's a hell of a hike up here, but to get here and see this is pretty awesome. And you know, I couldn't leave this area without getting me a souvenir. Here's a little bit of the road leading up to the Sawyer house. All right, folks, here it is. The Sawyer house. Oh my God. Is Grandpa upstairs? Oh, she was right here with Leatherface slammed the door. Oh my God, we got access to go up here. They said there's nothing much up here, but Grandpa, we're looking for you. Oh wow, whoa, they really are remodeling it. Oh damn. Oh look, old pictures. All right, curiosity is getting the best of me now. What's behind the door? Nothing. I don't go too far in there, but get a little peek. Watch out for Leatherface. Ellie's not scared. She one brave girl. All right, Grandpa, where you at? We'll be back. Oh, cool. Got some pictures here. You know, it's funny to have a rooster right there because in this room was all the chicken bones and feathers. Right here's where the dinner scene was filmed at. Wow. So surreal. Alright, so we got sat the same room where they have dinner at. Awesome. Here's the menu.
This was before Mary died last year. Mary had been living with her daughter and son-in-law, and her daughter and her boyfriend, and they got married and bought a house. And they were basically tired of being married in an assisted care facility. And so they wanted to put Mary in assisted care, but
Alright, I think I'm gonna go with the Hitchhiker's Grilled Chicken Sandwich. Alright, the Hitchhiker's Chicken Sandwich. Let's see how it is. Let's check it over here. They got Leatherface and 2 chainsaws. Alright, we head to the bar area because I heard they have memorabilia in here. Oh, cool. Got over here is Grandpa's hands, mask, and a spindle. Oh yeah, Gunnar Hansen autograph, that's awesome. Franklin, I need that.
Alright, that's it for the Leatherface house. Food was alright. A little pricey. Our waitress was kind of dumb. But anyways, at least I can say I ate here in the area where they filmed the dining room scene at. Until next time, guys, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. And of course, I had to stop by the back of the house and see the 2 windows that Jerry walked by. Pretty cool.
Hey y'all, thank you for watching Adventures with Diamond Dizzle. Don't forget to subscribe.